Chiwenga takes charge, shedding tears. Sandapinda mashoko vanhu avati aiwa Vice President Constantino Chiwenga zvamunoziva kuti aiwa is now taking charge, aiwa achiacta as the acting president panguva ino opinda achisvimba musodzi. Notobva subscribe like what on the bell icon. Tipinda panapa muna mobudanimwa muchinzi. Upon his return, Chiwenga began his acting presidency with a condolence statement mourning Major General retired Solomon Chiziva, one of his close allies, who passed away last week. The deaths of key Chiwenga allies, among them Foreign Minister Sibusiso Moyo, Agriculture Minister Perenzi Shiri, and over 10 other senior military figures have fueled speculation of the calculated peg aimed at consolidating Mnangagwa's grip on power. Insiders assert that Mnangagwa's actions defy a post-coup power-sharing agreement that would have seen himself 2 terms before ceding the presidency to Chiwenga. Mnangagwa's refusal to honor the agreement has created a rift that impossible to ignore, a senior ZANU-PF official disclosed. The systematic sidelining of Chiwenga's allies is a clear message that dissent will not be tolerated. The growing divide within ZANU-PF has raised concerns about the potential for further destabilization. Analysts caution that the removal of Chiwenga's military loyalists could embolden his faction to retaliate, with some suggesting the possibility of another coup. Mnangagwa's survival now hinges on parliamentary backing and neutral military, political analyst Mutodi remarked. But if Chiwenga's cable feels sufficiently marginalized, they may challenge his legitimacy outright. Tomashoko tukuna panguva ino aiwa the regime yakunzi vakomana vekwaChiwenga vakada kutanga kufighta back. Vakomana the ruling party ZANU-PF ikatanga ita chaos nema-infights. Aiwa hamuzombokwanisi kuidzimura, hamuzokwanisi kuzomboistabilize. Hatose mafungiro enyu munotudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu mudze mafungiro enyu. Subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.